this is LifestyleMK, and we are broadcasting live from the floodplains in Old Wolverton in Milton Keynes. Since 2007, the Parks Trust have been working with their partners, Henson UK, in order to change this 48 hectares into marshland, pondland, and now it has become one of the best breeding grounds in Buckinghamshire and one of the best places for passage waders. The nature reserve, half of it opened in 2014, and now in 2016 the rest of it is going to be open to the public in about an hour's time.
Okay, now we like walking, we like nature, we like birding, lots of walks in the Parks Trust, lots of lakes, canal and the rivers of course, so lots of areas to see. And while we were doing that we thought, well, we'll volunteer for the Parks Trust and then do a bit of litter picking, do a bit of inspection and check the areas out, and we can do that all over Milton Keynes as and when we wish. The Parks Trust, as of now, open day to day, then the volunteers will go in, they'll take people around, they'll keep it clean and tidy, and the actual Parks Trust themselves will do planting of shrubs, trees, and whatever necessary to keep the floodplain forest going.
My favourite thing, I'm a birder.
Right.
So today I will be in a hive and pointing out the birds to the public when they come in. We do a lot of birding, so we observe all the birds that are around and we send back any info. I've done snakes as well. I've done a snake survey. We've done an owl survey. So for me, it's wildlife and it's getting out into nature.
Social benefits, all our volunteers, we have a great family here and everyone loves to come and volunteer. So it's a very social experience, as well as, you know, I learn something every day about nature, and it's just good to understand your local environment and your surroundings, because it encourages people to come back on their own and go for a nice walk around the reserve. It's just fantastic. So I myself lead the practical conservation tasks. So this summer we've been building a dry stone wall on the reserve here, which is amazing. It's very, you know, keep fit, it's a bit of weightlifting, it's quite hard work, but we've had a lot of fun, so many hands make light work. So we've been doing a bit of that, we do a bit of scrub clearance in the winter, hedge laying, those, you know, the sorts of traditional practical skills with hand tools to try and keep that tradition alive. But of course we have a huge volunteer ranger team, so we rely heavily on volunteers to help look after our parks, notify us when there's problems, because we can't get around the many parks that we have here in Milton Keynes with a small team. So we heavily rely on volunteers to look at those sorts of things. And then we have events like today. We always need volunteers to come and help out stewarding, doing a bit of car parking, giving information out and talking to the general public, just to kind of spread the word about the Parks Trust and all the wonderful places we can go and visit. I think this place is definitely my favourite now, and I only live in Wolverton across the road, so I can walk here from my house. I did a bat walk here on Tuesday evening, so that was really nice to come in the evening. We saw some bats, it was lovely, which just shows what a great place this is, because they're a key indicator of a good environment. Yes, come visit at theparkstrust.com or email volunteering@theparkstrust.com and come say hello.
And do you give any training? You know, you were talking about hand tools.
Oh yes, yeah. So generally it's on-site training, it's practical stuff, but for events and education we have little sessions and yearly get-togethers to kind of get everyone together, make sure they're happy and know what they're doing.
I'd like to congratulate the Parks Trust, and we've heard it in all the speeches. There's a partnership going on, there's collaboration, there's people working together, and it isn't always easy. You meet incredible challenges, but you get around them, you get over those bridges, you jump those hurdles to make it work, which is what you've done here, which is just quite extraordinary. So I won't ramble on. I must now I suppose, have the great delight and honour and pleasure of announcing that the, I have to get my words right here, the Floodplain Forest Nature Reserve is now open. Thank you.
So as you can see, there is so much to get involved with the Parks Trust, and in particular this amazing Floodplains Nature Reserve. The reserve is open 24 hours a day. You can't park in the site itself, you do have to park up the road, but you can walk down whenever you like, so do get involved with nature. This is Audrey from Secklow Sounds, Community Radio for Milton Keynes.